Hey there, it's Ori again. I'm here to show you today how to do a very versatile and very easy centerpiece that anyone can do, and it's actually a non-floral centerpiece. So here we go. First thing you need is just a plain simple glass bulb. Fill it with multicolored blue beads, which you can get at any craft store. And then take yourself a nice candle, column candle, sit it in the bowl. Here's where the magic comes, the very simple magic. You go out and you get yourself some of the blue tulle and you push that all up around the base of the container, and that gives you your waves. It starts to look like water washing around. And then you take your special shells that you collected over the years, you add them to the base. You add a couple votives, and you have one hell of a centerpiece. So there you go. You can also take this without the candle. You can fill it half full of water and you can float flowers or floating candles. So it's a very versatile centerpiece. You can even fill it up and do a full arrangement in this bowl. So this is something that you should put in your always go-to pile, because this is one that I always go to. Look for the next video. We'll talk soon.